So this is hopefully the last tutorial you'll ever need to learn furniture stacking. Hopefully. First, we need the furniture. For this example, we're using the fountain and the goddess statue. Simple, right? Now the next thing we want to know is where we want to put them. So I would mark the floor with some tiles so it's easier for me to find like sort of an anchor, if you may. Like I know where to actually put the furniture on. I would, for this type of furniture that's kind of big, I would use a larger area. It's not necessary, but that's just me. It's also not necessary to put the painted tiles on it, but it makes it easier for me to find like where to exactly position the thing. Now, once you find that position, what you need to do next is pick up the furniture. In this example, it's the fountain. Once you pick it up, you aim a bit higher and put it way up in the air, and the game won't let you actually place it there. And to make sure that it stays up there, at least for the time being, you have to press the buttons on the upper right and the lower right at the same time, the view change and the check mark. Click view change to go back to advanced mode, then place the goddess statue into the position where the fountain used to be. Once you save that view, or once you hit complete, you can examine your handiwork and it should look like this. Let's try this again. This time we're going to use other furniture. What most people would want to do is transform the single bed into a double bed. So they would plop down two identical beds and then see, if you just try to move it on top of each other, it's not going to work. So what we're going to do is similar to what we did with the fountain and the lady. Just pick one up, decide where each one would go. Then take it way up high in the air. Whoops, sometimes that doesn't work, so you gotta do it again. Go back to advanced mode, place it up there, and then hit both buttons at the same time. And then get your other furniture, position it slightly a little bit closer to it so it would kind of overlap. So once you're satisfied with the position of the other furniture, you can go ahead and hit complete or save and complete. And it should look like this if you did it right. Well, let me know in the comments if this worked for you or if you had any trouble with it. I'll do what I can to help and answer it as soon as I can.